How quickly do you need to design and assemble your custom products? Do you manage large product catalogs with custom specifications? If you can't answer any of these questions, then it's time to try something new. Introducing BOLDAssembly from AlphaBold, the obvious BOM generator for 21st century enterprises using NetSuite. We're committed to helping our clients build a legacy, which begins by streamlining engineer-to-order process. Our team of most diligent industry experts and advisors was tasked to simplify the complex process of custom order fulfillment in manufacturing. There's no need to feel intimidated by the product design process. We make it easy for everyone to understand. Our NetSuite app can handle any multi-level bill of materials structure without involving every department and stakeholder. We save our clients time, money, and energy through a rapid and easy-to-use single-screen application for product and parts management. Our app facilitates quick production and rapid fulfillment of custom orders. This is achieved by simplifying BOM generation and assembly even when the components are not in the system. BOLDAssembly streamlines the item creation process in NetSuite by quickly converting CSV, CAD files to system records. The BOLDAssembly BOM generator is the obvious choice for forward-thinking organizations. It helps save time through pre-configured accounting settings, flexible import tools, and fewer clicks. Hit the link on screen to schedule a demo and to learn about easy installation and configuration of BOLDAssembly today. AlphaBold. Make the right choice.